What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Shiba Inu. I just entered a trade for Shiba just for fun, just to join in on the party. I entered it because I noticed it was consolidating, so I entered a trade with 6x leverage, and it's already up like 50%. So absolutely crazy. So we're gonna have a little fun and do some analysis of Shiba. Currently we're up 15%. It's been absolutely exploding. If we look over the last 30 days, it's up 350%. Oh, sorry guys, that's the last 3 months. Give me the last 30 days. 290% over the last 30 days. Absolutely insane, guys. We're sitting at 0.000043. And in the last 24 hours alone here, we're up 14%. Incredible, guys. So we're sitting at a market cap of 16.66 billion. Wow, the 24-hour volume is soaring. 9.62 billion for Shiba. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards, free Spotify, Netflix, travel incentives. They also have crypto earn. You can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. My favorite app for investing. Let's hop straight into Shiba. So I had entered right here when we started consolidating, and we've just absolutely pumped. We have a little bit of ascending triangle. It's not the prettiest pattern in the world, but it is there. So if we do break this neckline, this is on the 4-hour time frame, guys. Your breakout target would measure the body and can take Shiba up here to about 0.000048, and from the neckline, it's a juicy little gain, juicy little trade opportunity of about 14% for Shiba. You can see here we got overextended. We came back down to the 20 EMA on the 4-hour. So that's what's going to happen. It's going to pump. It's going to get overextended. It will come back down to the EMAs. You can see right here as well. Pump, got really overextended and saw a harsh correction down to the 20 EMA. That's what's going to happen with a coin like Shiba, is it's going to pump hard and it's going to correct hard. So you have to be very, very careful, especially if you're trading it with leverage. But if you're just an investor or a spot trader, just enjoy the ride for Shiba. So we're going to jump over into the daily time frame. So what I've done here to give us some levels of resistance is pulled my Fibonacci from the impulsive wave high down to the corrective wave low. And you can see we're coming up to the 1.414, which is coming in about 0.000041. I'm just going to say 0.41 just because it's a little bit easier, guys. So we can give some future price targets based off the fib. The 1.618 at 0.045. And then you have the 2 coming in at 0.052. And you have the 2.272 coming in about 0.0057. All right, guys. And from the current price, we make it up to the if we make it up to the 2.272, which I think would be really easy for Shiba considering the volume and the amount of interest right now. It's only a gain of 35%. I mean, we could make it there within the coming week or 2 weeks. You can see here on the daily, though, we are starting to get overextended again from the 20 EMA. You can see here we got overextended. We had a correction. We consolidated, allowed the EMAs to catch back up to the candles. The volume tapered off, and then we exploded once again. That's what you're going to see for Shiba. Explosion, correction, consolidation. Explosion, correction, consolidation. Hopefully, we take off another one of these zeros for Shiba Inu. I know the Shiba Inu community, the Shiba army is quite strong, and the supporters are very dedicated to Shiba. So shout out to you guys. I've joined in on the fun with a little leverage trading. So I'm excited to follow Shiba a little bit. I'm sure I'll make some more videos here and there for Shiba as well. All right, guys. Hey, guys, we have a Discord. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns, breakouts. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it, guys. You can sign up to the Patreon. Check out crypto.com. Smash the like button. Follow me on Instagram if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.